Hi everyone, this is Rishika, and I usually speak slow, so this will be a slow video. I don't want to rush things as such. In this hyperactive world, I just want one space that is slow for me, and this YouTube would be that. Instagram is there where I post short videos about my PhD life and just life in general of a 24-year-old in India. But here, I just want to showcase my day to day life and what all goes here. I have a beautiful view from my window, but I think they're cutting the trees, so that's sad. In general, my life is not as active as I would want it to be, mostly studying at one place or just going to the college and coming back. But a few days when I would have something to save and something to film, I would like to film that and put it on YouTube because I really like making videos, and it started with Instagram and now I just want to expand it because Instagram is a very short form video wala platform, so I just want one place that is longer. Recently I've started liking bird watching and I love watching birds here. There are very few, but there are still. I make a list of them on my notes app. It was raining. It was a beautiful day today. I do have a gym, a great trainer, a beautiful park, but this is what I choose to do because I'm so lazy. I wake up so late because I sleep so late. I want to move my body a little bit, so I just do random exercises at home after waking up. It also removes the stiffness in your body, and yeah, good for your mental health as well. I'm so lazy in relation to food. I don't make it until I'm literally dying. So I have a cook now and she makes good food, survivable food. She comes around 9 in the morning and makes breakfast as well as lunch, and then once again in the evening. So the only things that is left for me relating to food is planning out the groceries and telling her what to make. I usually do not get anything made for breakfast because I either eat a fruit or something very light, or I don't eat at all because I just wake up late, as I said. But I do have to heat up the things. This time I told her to make aloo beans ki sabzi, dal and chawal. No one tells you how much time and effort planning out the food, making the food, planning out the groceries, bringing the groceries takes. It just takes up all my day. So that's why I had to keep a cook, and eating out every day was not an option and very expensive. So now I can put all my time and energy into studying. But do I? That's the real question. I don't think I do. Also, there's always this dilemma in my head that only in India or Southeast Asian countries or South Asian countries is this possible to have a cook and have this much freedom to not cook, because otherwise labor is expensive. Here it's so cheap that it's feasible, and I'm so fortunate that it is. What are your thoughts on it? Do you also have a cook or do you cook yourself? How do you manage everything? Because I can't. It just got way too much for me. Also, funny part, in these long form videos I have started to notice the imbalances and weirdness of my house here and there. Like in short form videos you just sit in a corner or just move around a little bit and not everything of your house gets in the video. But in long form videos, like I could see the wire in the back and the newspapers in the rack, and I just see that only. I don't think everyone would notice that much, but for me it's not aesthetic enough, and I would want to change everything that's not aesthetic enough, but I can't do that. I'm just happy with what I have, and I'm so happy with this house. It's a little bit expensive as compared to my previous houses, but I like it. I like the view, I like everything, the calmness and the little corner of the world that this house is in. And yes, I do watch cartoons while eating because others I just feel would take up too much of my mental ability to think, and then I would just keep thinking about the shows or the movies. So I just keep it simple with one episode of Doraemon or Shinchan. Also, it calms me a lot. It feels like I'm back at home. I came back from school and Ma has given me food, and I'm just sitting there watching Doraemon or Shinchan and just chilling. So this little guy keeps trying to come inside the house, and I know if it comes inside it won't know how to go back, and then it will just be a problem. There are a lot of little birds, animals that keep coming here on my windowsill, and there is a pipe here that they sit on, and it's very cute. I just keep some food that is not being consumed, and they eat everything. Literally anything that you put out there, they'll eat it, and I like that. I don't have to waste food like that. I feel like I've been doing skincare since so long, but I'm never like absolutely happy with how my skin is. Some days, like in a week or so, 1 or 2 day ke liye I'll be happy, and then I'll be back on why is this pimple here, why is this bump here. Anyway, I needed to revamp my hair. Like, look at it, it's so dry, it's like knotted dry. I don't know why it is like that. So I got a hair spa and a haircut. It was long overdue and so pretty. I got some groceries, drank chai with a friend. I had paneer at home and my cook auntie doesn't know how to make good paneer, so I just made that and she fried some leftover rice. That was my dinner and that was my usual day, and now I'm back on studying. I studied last at night, all night, because I am an owl. But yeah, I like that. It's very quiet at night here. So yeah, that was all for the day. If you liked this video, do let me know. I'll make more of it, hopefully. Bye.